everyone, my name is Jag, and for the first time ever, I'm going to be doing a review and I'm going to be posting it on YouTube. So I'm a bit nervous and I'm a bit excited, so let's get this started. And today I have bought a new cell phone, and based on my reviews and based on my research, it is said to be one of the best budget phones in the market as of the moment. So I'm very much excited because as far as I can tell, to think of it, really, I haven't bought any phone for myself. Kasi usually yung mga phones that I use is either given to me or just handed down. So I'm very, very excited to open up this phone and do a review for it, and let's see kung yung mga reviews nga ba nila is true to their words. And just so you know, this is in no way sponsored by any companies or any projects. So let's get started. What I have bought for my phone is, of course, the realme C15. This is the newest phone that realme released. So I'm very much excited on how this would pan out, kasi sabi nila maganda daw talaga siya, especially the battery life. Oh my gosh, the battery life, I would tell you all about it later on. Also the price, sobrang sulit. Based on the reviews, based on the research, sobrang sulit siya. So let's see, we'll see. I'm very excited to open this up. Okay, my favorite tong part, and it feels satisfying. Bukas. Oh. Here we go. So first we have oh, I love the message. Hey, welcome to the realme family. Very, very welcoming. I love that. So dito sa package na to, meron tayong, we have the quick guide and important information guide. So, yun. Alam mo naman, we rarely even open that up. And in the inside, oh, there's the pin. Pin na pang-open sa SIM cards. So, actually, dami talaga. And of course, oh my gosh, here's the phone. Naka-plastic pa siya. Before I open up the phone, let's check muna kung ano yung nasa loob. Pana box. So inside the box, we have, of course, the charger. The infamous charger kasi this is one of the budget phones that has fast charging. So I'm very much excited kasi based on what I have seen in the past videos that was released by realme, it has really great battery, and yeah, we'll test that out. We'll see. Ano pa meron dito? Wala na, box na lang talaga siya. So usually, I also have another phone which is a realme XT, and usually meron siyang jelly case. In this case, wala siyang jelly case, which is actually fine kasi it's not that expensive naman to buy a new one and to buy a jelly case. So now for the moment of truth. Let's open this up. There you go. Oops. 1 second. Alright, so I have gotten the marine blue color. I like how, can I remove this? I'll remove this. Let's put it somewhere safe. Right here. I have gotten the marine blue. Just so you know, this model comes in 2 colors. So we have the Seagull Silver, and this is the marine blue. What I love about this is that it has texture, and it has sort of a geometric shape at the back. So I love geometric shapes. And the realme logo. I like how subtle it is kasi hindi siya masyadong in your face like kung katulad ng iba na talagang ito talaga siya. So, I like it. I like how I like the texture of it. Hindi siya, first impression, hindi siya mukhang budget phone. For reals, walang halong keme. It doesn't feel like it's plastic. It's a plastic material compared than the other high-end phones, but it doesn't feel cheap, not at all. So yeah, I like it. Kasi gusto ko makita yung screen niya kung ano ba talaga yung itsura niya. Kasi it's said to have it actually has a screen to body ratio of 82.2% with 6.5-inch HD, 720 by 1600 megapixel LCD. So let's see. So we have to set up the language. The US, no, Philippines tayo. Philippines, of course. Next. The chipset, it's MediaTek Helio, if I'm pronouncing correctly, G35 with Android 10 based on realme UI, as you can see, realme UI. Let's start it. Bagong-bago lang talaga siya. Let's check the camera. So the camera, the front cam, see, back up yun. So the front camera, so the front camera is it's an 8 megapixel, and the back camera, let's do a picture. The back camera of it, as you can see right here, I pressed record once again. The back camera is a quad cam, so you can see 4, but the main or the primary sensor is 13 megapixel, and we have an ultra-wide angle lens of 8 megapixel, also a macro camera of 2 megapixel, and a monochrome lens of 2 megapixel as well. So sa baba niya, if you can see right there, is the flash button. And what I love about this is that nasa likod din yung like the fingerprint sensor. We call it the rear mounted fingerprint sensor. So when you wanna like open it like this, or sorry, I usually use my middle finger kasi wala na akong fingerprint index finger ko. I don't know why, but yeah. The battery. Medyo may kabigatan siya compared to a regular high-end phone. However, it's a great trade-off. It's a good trade-off kasi I would say kasi its battery has 6,000 milliampere, and you only usually see that in high-end phones. And it usually, based on the video realme released, it lasts for 36 hours, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, so don't quote me on that. But I do know that it lasts more than 24 hours. Imagine, for the price that I paid this for, using this for 24 plus hours, and it has a fast charging battery, as I've said earlier. It has fast charging battery. Go up to you can charge your phone up to 50% within 30 minutes. So great trade-off. It doesn't matter. It really hindi naman masyadong halata yung bigat niya. Hindi siya masyadong noticeable when you carry it with you. And how sleek it is. I always love the round edges. I know a lot of phones right now has a round edge, but yeah, sulit, I would say. First impression, it's sulit. So it has, in the inside, it has a RAM of 4 GB. What I got is a 4 GB. Just so you know, you can get this in 3 GB, but 500 lang, sis. 500 lang yung pagitan. So I would suggest that you opt for the 4 GB. And it has an additional 64 GB of external storage with it has a additional 64 external storage with SD card slot. So there you go. This Realme phone is valued at 6,990 pesos only, and you have all of the specs that I've mentioned earlier. So it is a bargain. It is a huge bargain for me. So this is the first time I have reviewed a phone and technology. Just so you know, a little bit of background about me. I'm a work from home mom, and my kid will be starting her school soon. And we're looking for technologies that would benefit my work from home job and of course my kids not work from home, but school-based learning. So we're looking for technologies that would help us, guide us, and a lot of moms out there are looking for the same kind of technology that is at an affordable price. Kasi with the pandemic and what's going on and all, we'd love to have a great bargain. Filipinos always love to have a great bargain. So if you guys have anything that you'd like to share, anything that you'd like for me to review, I'd be more than happy to take a look at it. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe, God bless, have a blessed day. Bye!